You eating? You eat. I don't want none. You eat. You eat.
Oh, Jewish guy, why do you hate me? Clean out the floor. Okay. She is the one who has to explain herself. Let her come in here. You have gone full neck, Cece. What does that mean? Spot into your nonsense. And no,
Need some help?
put this down. I just picked it up. Fold it. You don't know what you're doing. Hey, Reagan, no. Reagan, don't come in here.
Here you go.
Don't come in here, because
Eat it. Eat it before it all falls off. Look, it all fell off. Here.
Who are you?
Eat.
Yummy.
Yummy.
No more questions.
Yum, yum, yummy. Yum, yum, yummy. To your tummy. Yum, yum, yummy. Yum, yum, yummy. To your tummy.
Okay,
Here you go. Eat.
I know this is bad, but if I'm being honest, she's got a lot.
Nom, 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 nom. Yay. Good job.
Clearly been dumped many times.
I know people keep saying that.
The orders are surely temporary.
With the Virgin Denzel.
If she wants to dump me,
Uh-oh.
she should look me in the eye.
You know what she should have, and I told her that.
It's the least she could have done.
Hey, you
Here you
preaching
go.
to the choir. Ask me how many times I've been dumped.
I don't know.
47 times. And once on my birthday. And out of that 47 times, and once on my birthday.
Yummy. Yummy, yummy to your tummy. Yummy. Yummy, yummy to your tummy.
Let's go find her.
Hell yeah. Ooh,
Is that good? Ooh, that's a big bite, huh? Uh-oh.
Your roommate.
It's okay. You got more. Mommy pick it up later.
bitten by my own snake.
Okay, thank you, baby.
You all went through that.
Thank you, baby. Thank you for getting that for me. You're so sweet. You want another one? Here.
The fake ID.
Let's try a piece of broccoli. Let's try a piece of broccoli. Ooh. Mommy can't pick it up. Here you go.
Who does?
Mmm.
Okay. All right, fine.
Good job. Mmm. Yummy.
He looks just
That good. That yummy. Yeah.
Oh, and if you
Are you showing off your penguin?
it's like a hollowed out hand.
You see your penguin? And your Blue's Clues?
I see that now. I'm full neck every day. Imagine how that feels.
Eat. Yummy, yummy to your tummy. Yummy, yummy to your tummy. Want me to help you again?
Well, that's not.
Okay.
Through all of your rooms.
Let's try some more chicken. Barbecue chicken. Open wide. It's an airplane. Oh, you still got broccoli in your mouth, girl.
In the treehouse.
You still got broccoli in your mouth.
We want to be involved. Oh, I'm involved. So's Winston. What?
You need some
Everyone's
juice?
involved in the treehouse, but I.
Okay, you don't want the broccoli?
Reagan, how would you like?
Yeah, it's not cooked all the way.
Reagan, we already got.
Sorry. Here.
No, I feel like we are really off topic here. What I'm trying to say is, why did you just assume that I'm a
Oh,
criminal?
you do want the broccoli.
These two.
It's just hard too,
paranoid
huh?
Maniacs.
You got the
Or apparently are building a treehouse.
green bean
Now
too.
apparently we are. On the other hand,
You gonna eat that?
we hardly know
That's a
anything about
tomato.
these.
You don't really like tomatoes,
Okay, that's
but
what this is about.
oh
I'm
wow,
only
you
gonna be
just
here
dipped
for a
your
few
hand
weeks.
in the
There's no
ranch.
reason to get
Lovely.
emotionally involved. Let's just keep it clean.
Mommy, get a wet wipe.
Nobody gets upset.
I am so upset right now.
Mommy, gonna get a wet wipe.
Out of this room, I did not help out today.
Yeah, look at that. Yummy. That's so yummy.
Cut the crap. Like,
So yummy. So yummy. Come here. Give me that hand.
you know.
Give me that hand. Get it all clean. Yeah. Want to get the other one clean? You want to get the other one clean? Come here. Ooh, clean hands. Clean hands. Yay. Are you done eating? You want another bite?
Look, Camilla,
Huh?
I don't want to hurt you.
Hold it down to. Okay. You go do it yourself.
Okay.
Yeah, you do it yourself. Because you're so big, girl. You love making messes, huh?
That I'm a criminal.
No,
I'm a criminal.
you just gotta practice, huh?
Disgusting. Things I've done.
Okay, that's one way to do it.
My life, short life, I've
Like a
lived.
dog?
I can't believe
Like you don't have hands? You got hands, baby doll.
She's a criminal.
Ooh, good job.
One of the worst human beings I've ever
Good job. Stick it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth. No, you eat it.
streets together.
You eat it, baby.
Chicago to here.
There's Dada.
And his neck on the streets.
You saw Dada, you eating?
That's right.
Say, I eat Dada. Say, hey, Dada.
Reagan? Susie Shimizu. You're Japanese.
We happen all
What you eat?
the unlucky opportunity to come up
So
there.
I'm eating barbecue chicken, some broccoli, and playing with the tomato and green beans.
They're right, sure.
You're on your own, Moyle. And they call me Cece, but spelled S-I-S-I, with an accent over the last I. I'm spinning out here. You gotta help me.
Why don't you go spin all the way over your tree house? Should we know about the tree house?
Okay, what the hell is going on?
Winston, check for a wire.
Say, this has been Eating with Evey.
This is a
Say bye-bye.
We're not a Japanese
Bye-bye.
crime family.
Reagan, tell me the truth.
Say, I start eating by myself now. I'm not very good at it. Yeah, but I try.